We're out here in the Keys. I spent the last night here. Got really late. Didn't feel like filming. But if you know the place, 7 Mile Bridge. About to go to Bahia Honda. And this is the setup I'm using for the year to go to the Keys. Yak Attack 10 Slayer. Yak Attack. This is a native Slayer 10. Rooftop 10, battery, some generator, big cooler, the back, chair, and only lures for now. So, I'm looking a little tired, but see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'll go. Bahia Honda is down that way. In 5 minutes. Drink my coffee, change, and start heading out. We're at Bahia Honda. Finally made it to the fishing grounds that I wanted to do. That's the bridge right there. Broken bridge, and then there's another bridge over there. This is the parking lot. And I'm on doing this right here. Let's go ahead and get going. So it's still a little windy, but it's dying down throughout the day. And tomorrow is going to be even better. So I'm just really hoping I can fish enough tomorrow. Are out. See how it goes, guys. Whatever it is, it's kind of big. It looks like a cuda. No, it's a needlefish. Needlefish flock. Big one too. Oh man, this is gonna be a troublesome. Oh shit, dude. I got this huge houndfish. Huge. Let's see if I can take him out.
on the board. Not the fish I wanted, but something. Rip on the Rapala. Nice bite, but lost it. So I'm trying this jig out. I trolled for a good minute, but nothing. So I'm gonna try this jig out. £40 leader, medium action rod, spin fisher, 45 pound. I think it's enough. Let's just stop almost anything here without a shark. Let's see. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Here, but just wanted to show it's second day here at the Keys. It's my first day. Was not so successful fishing, but very successful in what I call camping. Car's a mess right now, but you can see the rods I keep inside, some of the clothes, trolling motors I keep inside, and then this I closed. I'm gonna eat some food right now. Need to hydrate. I was cramping, so I'm gonna get some pickles, and I got a generator with super fast charger for Power Clean. I used about 38%. I have about 38% left. So it did take a lot, but I also trolled a lot today. I did like 6 hours straight trolling. The next thing is I want to talk about the kayak setup. So the battery I put back here. I'm gonna have to find a better place later on. I strapped that there. I got this extender so I can get more space back there. And then I put the wheels here, they don't move anywhere. I add any other stuff, and then I have the bed, which I already have. Pretty awesome stuff, and then finally I mean, I could come to the Keys anytime now, basically. Sorry about the generator noise, but basically this is the best setup I've ever thought of so far. Just need a better kayak. I think next year I'm gonna switch to a 14. Feel safer out there, and better trolling motor. But you live and you learn. First year doing this, and I already feel like I've learned so much in the first day. It was so choppy this morning, a little scary. I would say definitely a little scary, but overall great day. I'll see you guys in a little bit, hopefully later tonight. I did forget one thing, and that was my barbecue. I have a little cold barbecue that I was going to bring and completely forgot with talking to John and my mom. They got crazy mosquitoes at their place, so I get eaten up, and I always forget stuff there because I'm in such a crazy rush. But besides that, I will do a catch, cleaning, and cook some other time, or any grilling and stuff like that here, which I love doing, but just unfortunately I forgot that. I had steak too, which steak, I know. Yeah, anyways, let me show you inside the tent so you guys can see. Look at that tent, man. Lights on, I got the battery, I got some food, I'm gonna be a fatty. Great air circulation. I don't feel like I'm moving at all. It's been amazing so far. Best purchase I've done in 2026. See you guys in a little bit. We're out here, sun rise. I got a friend, Carlos. His new kayak. This is the second time he's used it. Look at this bad thing. Woo! Para la gente que habla español, Carlos, el amigo mío nuevo, va a probar el kayak nuevo. Vamos a ver cómo va. Nos vemos en el agua. Y aquí tengo el mío. Sale hasta aquí y aquí ya está todo bien ya. Sí. No tengo muchos seguidores, nada más 400.
Ahora va a tener uno más.
Pero por lo menos tengo uno más. Y vas a estar en los videos porque seguro que vamos a hacer esto otra vez.
Ah, vos me decís y yo arranco.
Dale.
No tengo problema.
Yo tengo otro amigo también que está por comprarse un kayak, así que vamos a tener un grupo.
¿Ves? Esto es lo que tengo que arreglar. ¿Ves?
Sí. Sí, un poco incómodo para poner. No bajo, tienes que bajarlo un poco más.
No, sí. Quiero salir un poco de acá.
Oh, estás en los weeds. ¿Se te enredó? Yo creo que se te enredó con los weeds. Vas a tener que sacarlo para arriba para quitarle los weeds. No hay problema. Yo aquí estoy para pasar el rato, así que no tengo apuro. Puedes hacer algo así ahora mismo para el tuyo. Con $300 puedes comprar un motorcito que te cabe ahí.
No, seguro, eso es lo que voy a hacer.
Para que no tengas que remar tanto. A mí me gusta también el estilo bicicleta porque hace ejercicio. Pero te cansa. Te cansa mucho. Eso es lo que tengo que comprar una banderita así también. No tengo una. We have made it to the fishing ground, guys. See how it goes. It is a little windier than expected. I think I'm gonna have to stay inside. Hay un bote allá. Hay un bote allá que está anclado. Que es donde tenemos que ir porque ahí es donde hay como un canal. No se ve de este lado, pero se ve del otro lado. Pero seguimos probando por aquí hasta que lleguemos allá. Enséñalo ahí a la cámara. Mira, te dije, tira para allá. Y la primera vez que tira, cogiste. Yo, no lo saques, que se te cae. Yo ahora te cojo con la cámara bien. Que no se te caiga, que eso es comida. Está grandísimo. Eso tiene como 16 por lo menos.
Ahora lo medimos.
Señor ahí. Carlos con tremendo mangrove snapper. Tiene por lo menos 16, yo creo. Se trabó ahí ya. Tremendo mangrove. Yo. Dale, sigue ahí. Tiene que tener 12.